This how to 1 minute will show you how to install WordPress theme from zip file. So if you have a WordPress theme in zip file on your computer, follow this short video to upload the zip theme in your WordPress. So right now I will show you total 2 ways to upload WordPress zip theme. The first way is upload the zip theme from your WordPress dashboard, and the second way is upload the zip theme from cPanel. So first of all, let's upload a zip theme from our WordPress dashboard. So log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on Appearance and click on Themes. Click on Add New. Click on Upload Theme. Choose File. And now select the zip theme. Click on Open. Click on Install Now. Once the zip theme uploaded, click on Activate. And as you can see, I've successfully uploaded a WordPress theme from zip file. And now let's upload a WordPress theme from zip file from cPanel. So first of all, open your cPanel and scroll down. Under File section, you will get File Manager. Click on it. Now double click on public_HTML to open it. Open WP content folder by double clicking on it, and open themes folder, and here you will get all available themes you uploaded on your WordPress. And to upload a brand new theme, click on Upload, select File, and select your theme zip file and click on Open. Once it's complete, click on Go Back. As you can see, the zip file uploaded successfully. Now we need to extract this zip file. So select the zip file and click on Extract, Extract Files, close, then click on Reload. And as you can see, the WordPress theme has been successfully uploaded from zip file. And now go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over on Appearance, select Themes, and now reload this page. And here is the theme. From here you can activate the theme. So this is how we can install WordPress theme from zip file. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.